Hi guys, welcome back to our class today. We're going to learn how to use shape and text to make a simple logo design. So let's get started. I'll start with a shape. Take a rectangular shape, fill it with a black color. I'll centralize it. I'll duplicate the shape, use a white color, reduce the size and also centralize it. When I'm done, I'll merge the shape together and erase the white color at the middle of the shape. To convert these two shapes as one, I'll take another shape, black, so I can use it to merge them without any distortion. Now we have a perfect shape with a transparency on the center of it. What I'll do now, I'll lock the shape so I can start working with my test. Click on test tool using the PS, stand for Press Soft, using Mimi font. And I'll see adjust the spacing between the two letters. I will as well centralize this text. This is basically how the logo is going to look like, with just a separation of the P and S. So for me to accomplish that, click on shape, start resizing it. That's how hand will go. I will merge both this rectangular shape that I just adjusted and the text. Then I'll use color eraser tool to remove the white color so I can have a clear separation between the P and the S. Okay, at this point, I will duplicate this text, I'll centralize it as well, but then I'll make one invisible from my layer 2. So for me to separate them, I'll use the same technique, taking a rectangle, rotate it in such a way that I will have just the upper part of the PS on display. I'll merge. Remember, I'm merging just one of the PS tests with that rectangle so that I can erase the color. Okay, then to convert this to a shape without the white color, as you can see here, I'll add a black rectangle to the black spots of this test and merge them together. Black rectangle. I'll merge them to remove this white area. As you can see, it's gone. So I'll work on the other parts of the PS logo. So make this one visible, then the upper one will be invisible. I'm doing the same thing, just an inverse of it. Same procedure to erase the color. When I'm done, I'll also remove this white area using a rectangle, as did the first shape. Okay, after merging, we have two separate shapes, the P and the S. Two separate shapes. Now the PS, the upper parts and the lower parts. So at this point in time, we'll be applying our texture. For the upper texture, I'm using the gold. Okay, using it from the under parts, rather, using a good texture, while the upper parts, PS, we use a silver. Okay. Then I may as well reduce the spacing between the P and the S. Okay, this is good. I'll merge them together to give me one basic shape. And also the rectangle behind, I'm using a good palette for it as well. This is it. The next thing that we'll be focusing on now is to merge them together and apply a 3D effect. 3D shape. We are done with this. We'll add our shadow. You might as well use your 3D rotate to start on the previous video. And the bevel is another resource tool that we can use. Just playing around with it, but you see the different effects that it will have on our present logo. So after doing this and getting this very fine background, we will just add a different background from gallery. Send it to back. After which, you may, as usual, just add your text. Designed by Resoft. So we are done. As usual, you export your image, save it to gallery. This is basically the process you follow to do those mock-up logo, whereby you see your logo being placed on the wall of your office, a building, or a different setting. So we'll see you in our next video.